In this tutorial, I'm going to show you very simply how you can connect your Printful account, which is this one on your dashboard, to your Etsy store. Let's get going. First of all, you need to go to My Printful. If you haven't set up a My Printful account yet, I'll leave the description and the link below this video. First thing you want to do on your dashboard once you're signed in is scroll down and look for Stores. Click on Stores. To create a new store, choose your method. So that's here. Let's just click on Choose Platform. And here you can see the Etsy banner here. So click the Connect button. There's a short tutorial in here, but we're going to skip that. So we need to authorize a Printful and Etsy application. So we're going to click on Connect to Etsy. This is a disclaimer by Etsy themselves. Just scroll down. Click Allow Access. If you aren't signed in at this point, it will ask you to sign into your Etsy account. Now, if you haven't set up your Etsy account yet, I'll leave a description below as well on how to do that, and a link to another tutorial, which is very quick, on how to set up your Etsy account and your Etsy store. So let's click Allow Access. Let's just presume I've signed in. It will say Connect your store with Printful. Already have an account? Continue with My account here. And we'll click Continue. They want us to confirm the connection, so I will click Connect to Store. And that's it. We're now connected at Stores and DaVinci, which is my store on Etsy. And you can start adding products, which we will go through in a later video for you. And that's how simple it is.